Hey everyone! Summer has just begun, so it's the perfect time to take out your popsicle mold. I'll be showing you 4 delicious popsicle ideas you can make at home. First up is Fudgesicles. Add half a cup of cocoa powder to a pot, along with 2/3 cups of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk first to get any lumps out. Now add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. All you have to do is heat this until your sugar dissolves, and then it's ready to be poured into your molds. This recipe will make 8 popsicles. Now put your top on and add the sticks. A common mistake is to push the popsicle sticks all the way in, which is what we don't want. Put them in about halfway and they will float inside of the mold. Okay, this one is the easiest and not really a recipe. You fill your molds with whatever fruit you like, fresh or frozen. I'm using strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries today. Do not overfill with fruits as we will need to also add the lemonade as well as put in the sticks. Now fill with lemonade. And that's it. Add your top and your sticks and you're good to go. I'll be making this one all summer, experimenting with different fruit and fruit juice combos. Orange Creamsicles, a classic. Start by mixing half a cup of yogurt with 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is going to be the bottom layer that we'll add later, so put it to the side for now. For the orange layer, blend half a cup of the same plain yogurt, 1 12-ounce can of orange juice concentrate or 12 ounces of freshly squeezed orange juice, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Blend until smooth. Pour into your mold about 3/4 filled and freeze for 1 hour so the yogurt layer sits on top. Now top it off with the yogurt mixture we made earlier. Put in your sticks and freeze. Last but not least, strawberry and blueberry smoothie popsicles. We'll use a blender for this one too. Add 6 ounces of plain or flavored yogurt, strawberry would be perfect here, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1.5 cups of fresh or frozen strawberries. Blend until smooth. Add to your mold, filling them halfway. It's important you only fill them halfway because we will top this up with the blueberry smoothie. For the blueberry layer, we're doing the same thing. Add 6 ounces of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1.5 cups of blueberries. Blend until smooth. Pour this right over the strawberry layer. How you layer these is up to you. You can even make stripes with different colored fruit. So here are the popsicles. I hope this inspires you to make your own this summer, or all year, like I'll be doing. Be sure to tag us at Sam and Feng Cooking on Instagram if you give these a try. Thanks for watching!